Hi everybody! As I was cooking osechi, I was just wondering what you would enjoy for New Year. That has to be special, no? I'm just so curious, so if you let me know, that would be really interesting. For us, as I said, we enjoy osechi, but beside of it, we have a special dish, which is fresh, huge yellowtails. Look at this! We actually received this from the family of sister-in-law since she became our family 3 years ago. It's from Nagasaki Prefecture. Isn't it just so beautiful? This is just incredibly yummy and so fresh. This is just so special. And this time I actually helped cutting them to make a sashimi. It was just interesting. It was just first time having this experience. I learned a little. Then I thought it would be really nice to share my osechi recipe. Those are really easy, so I hope you enjoy it. The first recipe would be TAZUKURI. Using dried sardine. The condiments for TAZUKURI are mirin, sake, sesame, soy sauce, and sugar. Roast the dried fish. Of course, the fish is soft to begin with. So, as you keep roasting them, it evaporates the moisture. So it becomes nice and hard. When the fish is ready, take it out. And put all the condiments in the same pan. Mix well. And let it boil. Add the sesame and boil it until it gets thickened. Then dress it onto the fish. And let it cool. It's really crunchy and tasty. The next recipe is TATAKIGOBOU, the burdock. The ingredients for TATAKIGOBOU are burdock, light soy sauce, mirin, sesame, vinegar, and salt. It would be nice if you have Japanese chili spice for an optional. You take the mud from the burdock and get rid of the skin with the back of the knife, just like this. Then pat it to make cracks. Cut it into 5 centimeters each. And make them even smaller to make it easier to eat. Soak them into water to remove the harshness. Boil it with salty boiled water for 3 minutes. Mix all the condiments. and ground sesame. Then soak the burdock into it. Unwrap it and let it cool. It would be nice with the chili spice, but again, this is an optional. Those doesn't have to be for Osechi. You can always enjoy it, and it's got a really happy meanings. So I hope you all enjoy it. On the next video, I'll continue introducing my Osechi recipe. So look forward to it. Thank you for watching. See you then. Bye bye.